The secret to organizing your life and your investments so that you can live a wealthy lifestyle is global real estate. Diversifying into property markets overseas means not only the end of worrying about paying your bills. It also means no more worrying about the ups and potentially spectacular downs of the stock market. And, if you manage this right, you can have it all set up 100% on autopilot. Here are 4 real estate areas to focus on to live a wealthy lifestyle. Number 1. Markets in crisis. It can be hard to believe, but COVID is not the world's only crisis. The pandemic has overshadowed them, but they're going to come back once lockdowns lift and government support rolls back. Certain pockets within these crisis areas, specifically those in key European and Latin American markets, will be ripe for profits. Number 2. The expanding global middle class. As technology, investment, and education develop and expand globally, other countries' middle classes are growing in significant ways. An expanding middle class means more young professionals and families looking to buy or rent property, rather than living in multi-generational situations or in government housing. Even better, investing in property for this new middle class is usually cheap, with some sort of financing available. That said, not all expanding middle classes are created equal. Other factors come into play when sizing up a market in this phase of development. Number 3. Improving infrastructure. The more a market's infrastructure improves, the more valuable the market. You can get ahead of the price curve by identifying markets with planned and emerging infrastructure improvements. Highways, airports, tax-free zones, corporate centers, even supermarkets and big box stores, as well as government and private development, are factors that can help you identify where you'll have an advantage. Number 4. Agriculture. The world's population is exploding, and the available farmland worldwide is shrinking. This is an easy supply versus demand situation that adds up to a no-brainer for investors. The world's wealthiest investors, including Bill Gates, Ted Turner, Mark Zuckerberg, and Michael Burry, have turned to this sector. This is a sector dominated by corporations and the elite, but don't worry. There are deals that bring the profits to middle-class investors. In which of these areas would you like to start investing? Let us know in the comments below.